Device connected.
Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a quick overview of the Hypertherm Powermax 45 XP. So now we've got everything out of the box. We've got the plasma cutter itself. We've got a 75-degree torch. We've got the work clamp, also known as the grounding cable. We've got their manual, safety information, and we've got a starter consumables kit. To attach the torch lead, simply line up the groove with the notch, push straight in, it snaps into place. To attach the working lead, line it up, and turn it a quarter turn until it stops. Remove the protective cap, add the swirl ring, the electrode, the nozzle, the retaining cap, and last, the shield. On the back of the machine is your air fitting. This machine has a CPC port, which is used for interfacing the plasma cutter with a CNC machine, and there's also an air filter bowl. All that's left now is to plug my machine in. So I'll turn the machine on. It starts up. On this side you'll see the mode button where I can switch between cutting and gouging. This is my amps display with an amps light lit, indicated that I'm adjusting the amps with the knob. This light on the top is simply a power on LED. The light to the left of that is a gas pressure light. If my gas pressure is too low or is non-existent, this light will come on. The light in the very center is a system fault LED. There's a list of system faults in the manual that lets you know what fault is being displayed by that light. Next to that is a torch cap LED, letting me know if my consumables aren't installed properly or if my torch is actually turned off. And the light on the very far left is a temperature LED, indicating that my temperature is too high. As you can see, that gave me a pretty clean cut on 3/8 inch mild steel. Only a little bit of slag on the bottom side. So now I've installed the gouging consumables. For gouging, Essentially what you're doing is gouging a groove out of the steel without going all the way through. You can adjust the width and the depth of the gouge by your amperage and your angle and your distance away from the metal. So you can see it's possible to kind of adjust the width and the depth of your gouge based on how you manipulate the torch. So far this machine has been excellent. It has a max clean cut capacity of 5/8 of an inch, and it has a max severing capacity of 1 1/8 of an inch. Severing means it'll cut through it, but it's going to be kind of a nasty cut. Another cool feature of this machine is you can crank it down to 10 amps, and then in conjunction with the marking consumables, you can actually mark very lightly on the surface of the metal. Thanks for watching this video. I'll post more videos in the future as I use this machine on different jobs and kind of give you guys some more feedback as I go. Hit the link down below to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Thank you.